If you are from Kenya and you are worried about some kind of loan apps that will be spying on your personal information, I would like to tell you in this video that those kind of apps that will spy on your personal information, where you actually want to borrow a loan from any kind of apps on Google Play Store or Apple App Store, Google have planned to remove all those kind of apps on Google Play Store so that you have less worry about some kind of apps that will definitely be spying on your personal information. As you can see on this particular website, TechCrunch, which says that Google to ban unlicensed loan apps in Kenya as new rules take effect. So which means you don't have to be worried about that. And this article was published on the 31 of January 2023, which is this year. So I can also provide the direct link to this particular page to also know that Google have removed or planning to remove every loan apps on Google Play Store in Kenya who have loan license. But that is just by the way to let you know that you are in secure place and definitely your profile or your information are well secure. So I would like to proceed to the top or best loan apps in Kenya which you can actually use to borrow a loan in Kenya today. The first one is zenka.co.ke, which is one of the best loan apps in Kenya. They also have their official website, which of course I'm actually on their official website, but they don't have an Apple Pay Apple app, of course. So they only have a Google app, which of course the app are only available on Google Play Store. So they also have a quick prompt up chat, which of course you can chat the customer support if you have any question to ask them. The website is very unique and I love the interface. So let's proceed and see how this Zenka works. So how does it work? Money in your account even in a few minutes after registration. So how would you proceed with the registration? Download Zenka app from Google Play Store, then fill in the information which of course they ask for you to help them in processing your loan. So after that, receive your money in M-Pesa. So I think that is the currency which is being spent in Kenya. So your application will be evaluated and when it's approved, you will receive your money in your account. So we pay on time and build a positive credit history. So if you literally want to borrow or looking out to borrow more money from any of these loan apps, you need to make sure you pay back the money you borrow from any of the platform, which of course I'm going to review to you in this video. So this website is where you can actually, or one of the best website you can actually trust in order to get a loan in Kenya today. So you can explore on the website or click on the link to download this app on the video description. So the next one which I'm going to share with you in this video is Tala. Tala is another loan app which of course you can use to borrow a loan in Kenya today. And on this particular loan app, it also offer or available in other countries like Mexico, Philippines and India, which of course they can also apply for a loan on Tala, which is one of the best websites which of course you can use to borrow a loan online today. As long as you have internet access, you are going to be able to access this website or their mobile app and borrow a loan. So you can borrow money from this website and also pay back anytime you actually choose to pay back the money. This app is well trusted by millions of people and it's licensed and regulated by CBK, which is one of the Central Bank of Kenya. Tala offer fast growing mobile loan up to 50,000 KSH, which is the currency of Kenya, and a very low interest rate starting from 0.3% per day. You can download the app and then enjoy the amazing loan, which of course you can use to start your small business or pay some of your bills. So check on their website or download Tala through Google Play Store and proceed on to borrow money from their website. It's very transparent and very straightforward if you are very much interested in borrowing a loan from this particular website. It's very easy to use, and you can check them out today if they will be able to borrow you a loan. The next one which I'm going to review to you in this video is iPesa. iPesa is another credit loan in Kenya today, which of course you can use to borrow money as fast as possible. This loan app is available for everyone. You are in Kenya, you can definitely use this app to borrow money in Kenya today. You can get a loan of up to 40,000 Kenya currency. But then you also need to understand that there will be a limit to the kind of amount you can get based on your credit history. That is what will determine how much loan you can actually get from this particular app. So check them out today and let me know through the comment section if you are able to borrow a loan from this platform. The next one is Berry. Berry is another loan platform in Kenya, which of course you can also use to borrow a loan as fast as possible. And trust me, all these loan apps are only available on Google Play Store, but then maybe in the nearest future they will also have their Apple app available on the Apple Play Store. So this app is very simple, swift loan at your fingerprint. As long as you have internet access, you are going to be able to borrow a loan from Berry. And with Berry, you can also secure your account so that you only have access to your account, or anyone that have a direct password to download or to open your loan app. So with Berry, you can get a loan within 120 seconds, and very easy way to get a loan in Kenya today. Very simple, swift, and they are very available to answer the customer support if of course you have any issue, if you are trying to borrow a loan from the platform. So you can also reach to the frequently asked questions so you understand what people are saying about this particular app. So these are the 4 apps which of course you can use to borrow a loan or to request for a loan in Kenya today. So check them out today and let me know which one actually worked best for you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more valuable video like this, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Peace.